and my cousins helping with the sawmill today. Very dangerous and it cuts wood. It can even cut off your hand, so please don't play this saw. Saws are very dangerous and they could kill you. Cutting the rope, I just want to let you know that you can cut wood with metal hinges. It can break the saw. I'll tell you more information at the end. This is my cousin from Mark. This is my cousin Mum. We had a great day walking in the sawmill, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell button for notification, and like.